This is the amount of work a lawyer has to do to afford 6 McNuggets and a small fry at McDonald's. 6 McNuggets and a small fry. Just...
The National Weather Service in Newport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties in North Carolina: Eastern Tyrrell County in eastern North Carolina, Northern Hyde County in eastern North Carolina, Northern Dare County in eastern North Carolina until 7:52 p.m. At 5:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm 5 miles west of Columbia. Moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 65 mile per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impacts, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Columbia, Alligator, Fort Landing, East Lake, Mans Harbor, Manteo, and Nags Head. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Ruby says her troubles are smaller than usual. Ruby, what's going on?